Ielts Reading Tips: How can you get 9 bands in Ielts? Below are some Ielts reading tips about how can you improve your score. The tips include developing both Ielts reading exam skills and also improving your English overall. Skim over and watch for the answers. Skimming refers to looking only for the main ideas. You don't need to read attentively every word. Remember, you just need to answer the questions, nothing more. So skim over the text and then start looking for the answers. Watch your time. Don't forget you have only 60 minutes to read 3 texts and answer 40 questions. You won't get additional time for filling your answer sheet, so make sure to manage your time properly. Is your spelling correct? Check your spelling before writing your answer on the answer blank. You will get 0 points for the answer if it's spelt incorrectly. Keep the order. Remember that the questions follow the order of the text in most cases. So the answer to question 5 will come after the answer to question 4 and so on. Underline. When you skim over the text, underline the most important phrases. It will help you to save some time when you will search for answers. Unfamiliar vocabulary? That's okay. Do not worry if the text seems unfamiliar to you or you don't know some words. Every answer can be found in the text. You don't need any additional knowledge to succeed. Pay attention to the details. Look thoroughly through the text. Any special features such as capital letters, underlining, italics, figures, graphs and tables are likely to matter. No blank boxes. Answer all the questions, even if you're not sure about your answer. You don't get a penalty for wrong answers, so try your luck and write the most probable answer. Cross out the wrong answers. If you saw the answer that you're sure is wrong, cross it out. This way you won't get confused and save your time. Choose your own technique. It may sound strange at first, but there is no ultimate advice which technique fits you the best. You should choose yourself how to search for right answers and what to do first, read questions or text. A lot of successful candidates prefer to read the text first, and only then answer the questions. But some say it's better to do the other way. Thank you for watching our video. If you like, then like, share and subscribe.